Quran. Verse 104 Chapter 2 Al-baqarah. English and Urdu translation by Shabbir Ahmed, MD, Florida.
O you who have chosen to be graced with belief. Never say to the Prophet, Raaina. Listen to us. Instead, say, Unzurna. Grant us attention. And then listen. Intently. There is a painful consequence for the rejectors of divine commands. Ayyuhallazeena aamanu is generally, but inaccurately, translated as, O you who believe, O believers, O you of faith. O faithful, etc. Firstly, aamanu is a verb. Secondly, attaining to belief must be an act consciously undertaken after due reflection and with free will. Passive faith such as claiming to be a believer by birth has no merit in the sight of God. See 4:136, 12:108. Also, choosing to believe in truth is a great blessing of God. So, my rendition, O you who have chosen to be graced with belief. Raaina with a slight twist of the tongue and in very similar Hebrew words has derogatory meanings to it, e.g., be our shepherd, O our proud one, may deafness befall you. Some Jews resorted to these kinds of insults to the Prophet, 446. The lesson is this, be not ambiguous and speak words straight to the point. 33:70